Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Outlook if it's not opening or not working. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, gotta find your date and time, right click on it, click on adjust date and time. And then make sure that set time zone automatically and set time automatically is enabled or both enabled. And then once that's done, click on sync now. Once that's done, close it. And then go ahead and find Outlook right here. Should it be classic or the regular Outlook? Right click on it and run as administrator, hit on yes, as there will be a pop-up. And then after that, just go ahead and check if it helps. If that doesn't work, right click on your start menu, click on installed apps, wait for it and just find Outlook. Click on three dots and then go ahead over to advanced options, scroll down, click on terminate, and then just click on repair. As you can see here, I can't repair it because it's trying to open up. I'm just going to close this one. So again, repair. If it still won't go through, I'll go to your taskbar, right click and go to task manager. Find Outlook. If there's any, right click on it and just click on and task, or click on it, click on and task. Once done, go back. Find Outlook once more. Click on three dots, advanced options, terminate, repair, wait for it, and then once done, go ahead and test it out. Outlook, click on one and check. If not, click on terminate, reset, reset. And then once that's done, close this one, restart the computer. Once restarted, open up Outlook, wait for it to load, and you should be good to go. All you got to do is just sign in, and here you have it. That's how easy it is to fix Microsoft Outlook if it's not opening or not working. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.